Elgamal and Solana, the crypto combo you didn't know you needed. Hey everyone, welcome back to the pod. Today we're diving into two fascinating worlds, Elgamal encryption and the Solana blockchain. You might be wondering, what's the connection between a decades-old cryptographic system and one of the hottest blockchain platforms out there? Stick with me, because by the end of this, you'll know how these two could be a match made in crypto heaven. Let's start with Elgamal. Picture this, it's 1985 and a cryptologist named Tahir Elgamal drops a bombshell in the world of encryption. He creates a public key in crypto system that's all about keeping secrets safe using some seriously clever math. Elgamal is built on something called the discrete logarithm problem. Don't worry, I won't bore you with the equations, but basically it's a math puzzle so tough that even supercomputers break a sweat trying to crack it. Here's how it works in simple terms. You've got a public key to lock up your message and a private key to unlock it. Anyone can send you a secret, but only you can read it. Pretty cool, right? What makes Elgamal stand out is its flexibility. It's not just for encrypting messaging. It's also the foundation for things like digital signatures, which prove who sent a message without revealing the keys. And here's a fun fact. Elgamal is still kicking around today because it's provably secure under certain conditions. It's like the vintage car of cryptography. Old school, but it still runs like a dream. Now let's shift gears to Solana. If you've been anywhere near the crypto space lately, you've probably heard of it. Solana is a blockchain platform that's all about speed and scale. We're talking 65,000 transactions per second, folks. That's light years ahead of some of the older blockchains out there. It's designed to handle everything from decentralized apps to NFT marketplaces without breaking a sweat. The secret sauce? A mechanism called proof of history, which timestamps transactions in a way that keeps the network blazing fast and efficient. So, where do Elgamal and Solana intersect? Well, they don't yet. But here's where my imagination starts running wild. I think you'll like this. Solana's ecosystem thrives on security and privacy, especially for things like decentralized finance and smart contracts. Elgamal, with its knack for encryption and signatures, could be a perfect fit for adding an extra layer of protection. Imagine a Solana wallet where your transactions are encrypted with Elgamal, so even if someone snoops on the blockchain, they can't figure out what you're up to. Or think about smart contracts that use Elgamal signatures to verify identities without exposing sensitive data. That's next level privacy. In a world where data breaches are all too common, it's a big deal. Let's break it down a bit. On Solana, transactions are already public by default. Anyone can see the sender, receiver, and amount. But what if you want to keep things under wraps? Elgamal could step in to encrypt that data before it hits the blockchain. The public key encrypts your transaction details, and only the person with the private key, say the recipient, can decrypt it. Meanwhile, Solana's speed ensures this extra step doesn't slow things down. It's like adding a secret handshake to a Formula One car. Stealthy and fast. Now, I'll be honest, there's no official integration of Elgamal into Solana right now. This is more of a what-if scenario. Solana already uses elliptic curve cryptography like the ED25519 signature scheme, which is super efficient. Elgamal, while awesome, can be a bit bulkier in terms of data size, which might clash with Solana's need for speed. But with some clever engineering, maybe a hybrid approach, it's not hard to imagine a future where these two could team up. So, why should you care? Well, if you're into crypto, privacy, or just cool tech, this combo hits at where the industry might be headed. Blockchains like Solana are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and cryptography like Elgamal keeps it all secure. Together, they could make decentralized systems not just faster, but safer too. That's all for today, folks. What do you think? Could Elgamal and Solana be the next big thing, or am I just dreaming? Hit me up with your thoughts, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, let me know what else you want to hear about. Until next time, keep exploring the wild world of tech.